Hi there. Welcome to this maths strategy video. We're going to show you how to solve different problems in mathematics. Today, we're going to look at solving addition problems by using place value, but not crossing tens. We're going to try three problems. 23 plus 46, 52 plus 37, and if you're really brave, 142 plus 236. We'll use some different materials today to learn how to do this. We have place value cubes that come in ones, tens, hundreds, and even thousands. We also have some unifix cubes, which I've put in sticks of 10 that are the same color. Before we begin though, let's go over some knowledge that we're going to need today to do these problems. Before we can add these numbers, we need to make sure that we can actually represent them. So, 23, what does that mean? The 2 actually means two tens. So, I'm going to show 1 10, 2 tens. And the 3 does mean 3 ones. So we've got 1, 2, 3. If you count all those squares, you'll get 10 plus 10 more is 20, plus 21, 22, 23. For 46, we need 4 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will need 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want you to pause the video now and see if you can make those other two numbers, 52 and 37. Is this what you got? 5 tens and 2 ones, 3 tens and 7 ones. Let's try something a little more difficult. What if we tried to write our number for the last question, 142? Well, I need my 100. I need 4 tens, and I need 2 ones. Do you think that you could do our last number on your own, which is 236? I want you to pause the video and try to make that number now. Is this what you came up with? 2 hundreds, 3 tens, and 6 ones. So now that we know how to make these numbers, let's try that first problem. We've got 23 there and 46 here. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to move all of these ones over here. So we've got 3 and we've got 6, and that gives us 9 ones. Then I'm going to move my tens. So I've got my 4 tens and my 2 tens, and 4 plus 2 tens, 4 tens plus 2 tens is 6 tens. So the number that we're looking for here is 69. For our second example, I'm going to do this a little bit differently. I'm still going to move the ones first, but I'm going to write 2 plus 7, and that equals 9. And then I'm going to put 30 plus 50, or the other way around, 50 plus 30, and that equals 80. Then I'm going to add my two numbers together. 80 plus 9 equals 89. For the last example, I'm not going to use the materials anymore. I'm just going to add them up. The ones first, the tens next, and then the hundreds. So for the ones, I have 2 plus 6, and that equals 8. For the tens, I have 40 plus 30, and that equals 70. Be careful that you don't write 4 plus 3 equals 7, because that's not actually what you're doing. That 4 means 40, and that 3 means 30. The last one I'm going to do is 100 plus 200, and that equals 300. The very last step will be 300 plus 70 plus 8, and that equals 378. In all of those problems, I only use the place value cubes. But you can also use these Unifix cubes. They're a little bit bigger, so they didn't fit on the screen. I can take 2 sticks of 10 and 3 more, and that gives me 23. If there was anything that you didn't understand, I would suggest that you go back and look at the questions again and look for different clues about what I did. If you did understand, after I'm done talking, I'm going to put up some examples on the screen, and you can try those for practice. If you wait a couple seconds after that, the answers will appear. So my suggestion to you is pause the video. Then when you can check to see if you've done the answers correctly. Thank you for using this video, and I hope that you've learned something from it.